Recreational companionship is dangerously missing from a lot of relationships. And it's one of the greatest love needs of a human being. And it's one of the best divorce-proofing strategies that you can bring into your relationship. Recreational companionship. And so many spouses, they stray from their marriages because they're attracted to somebody else who shares with them their interests and their hobbies. So when you share each other's recreational interests and you do things together, you're protecting your affection and you're protecting her affection from looking for attention from somebody else. Because when you do things together recreationally, that will then support your Islamic coming together. And our Prophet ﷺ, yes, he worshipped Allah with his wife Aisha and his other wives, but he also raced with Aisha. And she defeated him once in a race, and he told the companions to move away, give us space, we want to race. And they ran, and she defeated him. Then later on in life, when our mother put on some weight, and he said to her, I give you a second race, and they raced, and he defeated her, and he said to her, we're now equal. Yeah, 1-1. So when you do that, that supports your Islamic cooperation. They're not to be seen as two separate things.